Localization news you can use, your daily dose of localization know-how for June 26th, 2025. In today's roundup, we're seeing a major focus on new AI-powered tools and platforms designed to enhance and streamline localization workflows. Starting with platform developments, Alconost has launched an experimental web-based tool called Alconost.MT Evaluate. This platform enables language professionals to assess translation quality using large language models like OpenAI's GPT-4 and Anthropic's Claude 3. It provides a detailed quality score from 1 to 100 and offers corrected versions of translations, aiming to be both an evaluation and an improvement tool. Lionbridge has introduced its Content Remix app, an AI-powered solution for multilingual content creation. The app allows users to generate personalized content for various channels, such as websites, social media, and newsletters, in multiple languages simultaneously. It aims to reduce content creation cycle times and ensure linguistic accuracy while preserving brand voice. In the realm of user interface localization, Lingoport has released significant context-related enhancements for its Localizer tool. New features include a Figma plugin and a Chrome extension that automatically capture and link visual context to UI strings. This integration, compatible with Trados, XTM, Phrase, and Smartling, is designed to reduce ambiguity and improve translation quality by showing linguists exactly how and where text appears in the UI. Similarly, the language intelligence agency Attached has launched its new Attached AI suite. This suite includes 4 services: an AI translation portal with quality performance scoring, customized AI engine building, AI-powered subtitling, and AI dubbing. The goal is to provide companies with the speed of AI while maintaining control over brand identity and quality. On the awards front, Smartling has been recognized with the Machine Translation Innovation Award at the 8th Annual AI Breakthrough Awards. The award highlights Smartling's LanguageAI platform and its new AI translation, or AIT, offering. AIT is a hybrid of MT and AI that incorporates LLMs to produce outputs at a quality level comparable to machine translation post-editing, but without the human editing step, aiming to help companies translate more content within the same budget. In executive movements, CQ Fluency, a provider of language and accessibility services for regulated industries, has appointed Tameeka Smith as its new chief executive officer. Smith, who has an extensive background in healthcare leadership, including as CEO of United Healthcare Community Plan of Virginia, succeeds company founder Elizabeth Miranda. Miranda will transition to a role on the board. Smith plans to focus on expanding the company's impact on health equity through innovation and a human-in-the-loop approach to technology. The European Language Industry Association, Elia, has announced the results of its 2025 Board of Directors election. Alexandrina Karabasheva, Mai Abdel Wahab, and Tony D'Angelo are newly elected members, and Ninad Andricek has been re-elected. They will officially take their seats in September, joining the continuing board members. Shifting to industry challenges and perspectives, court interpreters in Belgium have joined nationwide justice sector protests. The Belgian Chamber of Translators and Interpreters is denouncing significant payment delays, low fees, and what they describe as unsustainable working conditions. They argue that these issues are leading to interpreter shortages and are undermining the quality of justice in the country's multilingual legal system. In the United Kingdom, a new report from the British Film Institute highlights the screen sector's rapid adoption of AI for tasks like subtitling, dubbing, and dialogue generation. While this brings efficiency, the report also raises concerns about the dilution of British linguistic identity, as many AI models are trained predominantly on American English. Industry experts are also weighing in on the broader transformations. In an Elia discussion series article, contributors like Diego Crescieri and Stefan Hui explored how the balance between technology and human services is being redefined. The conversation highlights a shift from LSPs acting as translation factories to becoming engineers who design and maintain AI-driven localization systems for clients. This points toward new business models based on engineering time and consulting rather than per-word rates. Analia Karabasheva also touched upon this evolving dynamic, questioning the line between our current reality and a future shaped by AI. Bruno Bitter has also previously commented on the strategic shifts occurring within the industry's workflows. These discussions emphasize that while clients are adopting AI, they still need expert guidance on implementation, quality control, and training, signaling a significant evolution in the role of language service providers. Thank you for listening to this episode of Localization News You Can Use, your daily dose of localization know-how.